Hi, today we are going to show you how to reconfigure HCL Domino Server. If you're having some issue in the Domino Server newly installed on your uh, environment, okay. If you are moving old server to new server, yeah, if you have done some mistake while installing the new server on before going to the production, so misconfiguration due to many cases this will happen. So let you know how to reconfigure the HCL Domino server. So before, if you have a production server, you have already the server is on the production server. So before doing any changes, yeah, any reconfiguration part, you can take the full backup of Domino server. Okay, and there's some important files. So after the taking the full backup, the backup team has taken the full backup of Domino server data and all those files. Okay, so as the admin path, so we will take a backup of this file, like a server ID file, administrator ID file, certifier ID file, domino directory for server name.nsf file, admin for is admin request file, and all the templates. Okay, and one more thing is sutlog.nsf is also take a backup for this uh, as for is also important file. Okay, after that uh, we require some new information, the new new Domino server information, like Domino server name, what are the server name is there, and what is the domain name, current domain name, and what is the server IP and administrator name. These things we require. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do it. So this is my Domino server. It's already installed. Okay, but we have done some mistakes, like a server name got changed. So server name should be the same, like 3 p.m. mail server, but it was is app server. Okay, this this should be app should be the mail. So what I need to do, because this server is already set up and it's working. Okay, so server. Okay, this is Domino console. Is the server is already working, but it's a mail server. It's we have given it apps. Server name is app server, but we require the server of name should be the mail one server. So okay, so I in this case, what I need to do, exit, close this Lotus nodes, close this Lotus nodes, quit, quit, quit on the server Domino console. Is quitting now. So we are going to fresh install this server with the mail server name. Okay, so it's done. So there is no need to uninstall the Domino server. Okay, so do one thing, Go to the command prompt and take the information like domain name. Ping the domain name. Ping 3pm.com. Now it's pinging. Domain name is pinging. So what is the server name? Domino server name is mail1. Domains mail1 and IP address is 192 this one and administrator name is this one. Okay, do one thing. First, create a backup folder. Backup. Open the location of folder. Go to C drive, IBM folder, Domino server. Then take the first notes.ini backup. Notes.ini. Copy and paste here. Okay. Then go to data folder, then server ID. The what is the server name there? Is app. The first remove is admin for request. Administrator IBM notes database. Administrator database admin for. Cut here and paste here. Okay. Admin ID. Cut here. Paste here. And server name. Yeah, set log database, not a template. Cut here. Take only database, not a template. Cut only database. Cut here and paste here. Okay, and set log certifier ID. Then this could be also we have remove cert. Cut here and paste here. Cert log is a NSF. Cut the NSF here and paste here. This is the basic file. All this is the file, and one more database name.nsf. Names.nsf. Cut and paste here. Okay, these file are important and very important file, so need to take the backup of this file before going to reconfigure the any server, Domino server. Okay, so take this backup as a backup. After that, close this windows and come in that Domino notes.ini file. Notes.ini file. Go to open that and est. Select all this notes.ini setting and select all this thing and delete it. Only these parts you can keep it here and save that. Save it and close it. Close it. Then need to open the IBM Domino server. There, as a Domino server setup is loading. This setup is detected some previous program. Do you want? Click no. Click next. This is my first standalone server. So I'm using the first standalone server, not the additional server. If this server if this server will use as a cluster server, then I will choose as a additional server. So this is the first primary mail server. So I will choose first standalone server. The server name. So server name. What is the server name? I have given in the server name. A server name is mail1. Server name is mail1. Mail1, and this is the prod server. Prod. Click on next. Organization name. What my organization name is? Server name and organization name is 3pm. This is my organization name, and this is the password for certifier, root certifier. Period. Click on next. Domain name. My domain name is 3pm. Ping 3pm is pinging. So my domain name is 3pm. 3pm. Okay. Click on next. So I have choose as an administrator and put the password. Password. If you want to save this administrator password other locations, so it will be saved through other locations. So browse the location and save the location of the choose the location of the folder. So I will use as the same location, so like a notes data admin.id file. Click on next. I will choose as a web services and LDAP services. Okay, not going to install to use internet mail client POP3 and SMTP. Okay, so going to next, and one more thing, choose the customize here and select the domain name. My FK, put the FK2N name. So my FK2N name is 3pm.com. Ping 3pm.com. Now it's pinging. So put the pinging 3pm.com. 3pm.com. Okay, click on OK. Then next. Choose the same default action. Click on next and then setup. Now, as the Domino server setup completed, let's now click finish. Okay, so again click on the Domino server and select IBM Domino service as the application. Okay, has now set up successfully. There is no errors coming on the server console. So server, so check the name has, and now open the notes client, switch the id file in the desktop, administrator id file, password, and now first time you can open with the server name, server IP address like uh, my server IP is 192.168.1.105 is open now. Okay, now open with the server name mail 1. Okay, go to setting, server as mail 1, mail 1. Okay, 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 okay. Now mail 1 server is opening. Now administrator is opening, so I can use my admin client. Server document ID. Now I'm able to edit mail server. Okay, nothing else. So that is, thank you very much.